cloudy today, but I'm back at it again. What's up, guys? Thank you for watching the channel. I got some new things here today. We're going to be installing on the MR2. If you've been watching me on my social media, you already know what it is, but we got some new things here today, so I'm going to show you right now. We got steering wheel quick release setup. Let's get it. We got the NRG quick release. Brr. And we got a grip royal steering wheel, so let's see what this is about. Let's get it. This is the quick release. Quick release. Hey. That's the quick release setup. And now the big one. First thing, we got the button, the horn, and the neon chrome. And it comes with some wires. Comes with the hardware and a card, just so you know you actually got it from Grip Royal. Now we got the neon chrome steering wheel by Grip Royal. You see that shit? Royale. And it's hard to tell, but we got a Galaxy wheel, so it's like a Galaxy kind of paint job around that. We decided to put this in the car. We're gonna get lit. So let's go get the install done. Man's either super tired or high as fuck. It was good while it lasted, but the reason why I'm switching the Momo reel is just because it has some stitching that is cracked right here. It's starting to peel away. A couple spots here. And I just wanted something new. And then also my theme with the car is going to be black and purple. I'll be doing some purple accents in the interior. But until then, this is the first steps we're doing. So, we're replacing the wheel. Also, for me, this is going to be a lot easier compared to other people just because I already have a different steering wheel on here. So, it's like, for me, it's just remove and replace type shit. So, let's get into it. Alright, so one of the first things you want to do when changing the steering wheel is you want to lock the steering wheel. So, when you change it, it does not move from where it is. Also, make sure your wheels are straight first. Which you can see my wheel is straight, hopefully. Now that we got this one off, it's time to install the quick release. When you line this up on this side, right at the top of it, it's going to have a dot. You want that dot to line up on top of it like this. So what NRG does is it gives you this connecting plate where you put here, and then you can have the wires go to the positive and then have the grounded on here. So I kind of have that already done on our part, just like this. So the positive goes there, and then the ground can ground right there, and then it all sits pretty like that. And just like that, it's on. Now we gotta attach the quick release to the steering wheel and then connect it to the button. So let's just show how that's done. So with the button, Grip Royal provides you with some connectors. So you just plug and play without having to do too much work. So let's pick out the ones we need. Alright, so I got the two connectors we need. So now we just gotta connect this to that, that to this to that. Hey, and then it's all be working. Real quick, with the quick release, it has a dot at the top, so the dot goes to this dot right here, dot to dot. And now that is all wired up. Let's get it all together. Alright, so now that's all together. Time to put it on again. Like, fam, look at the wheel. The wheel looks so sick. proper still. Just sitting pretty. But yeah, basically that's the install for today. I'm probably gonna hit up the studio in a bit. We'll get the, make some beats, cook up, all that good shit. And this box, yo, you probably already know what it is, but just so you can see that. Ooh, carbon fiber. I wonder what that could be. Yes, sir. Now we're in the studio. You know what I'm saying? About to cook up a beat, or Loki was cooking up one already. But this is what it sound like. Just a little something, but I'm just cooking up beats right now, so just enjoy. Yes, sir. That's the beat. Let's hear this. Disgusting, bro. It fucking goes hard, fam. Fam, I'm about to go crazy on this beat, fam. When I go and record over this, yo, no, you gonna go crazy, fam. Nah, that beat's fire. I'm probably gonna cook a couple more and then I'm finna go home. But like always, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for supporting the channel. More content to come. Just know I'm out here. Good night.